Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox a popular RGB light, the SmallRig RM120. You can purchase this light from the link provided in the description box below. The box is very minimalistic and has a premium design. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. As soon as we open the box, we find a beautifully designed RGB light along with a user manual guide. It also includes a metal holder for easy placement anywhere and a Type-C cable to recharge the light. Now let's take a look at the design and build quality of the light. Holding it gives a very premium feel. Around the body, there are several essential buttons and ports to enhance usability. On top, there's a power button. On the right side, there's an effects controller, and at the bottom, there's a Type-C port and a hook for mounting it anywhere. On top of the light, there's a soft silicone diffuser that enhances the quality of light, making it more visually appealing. The back of the light is made entirely of metal and includes a small display to easily monitor and control its functions. Let's turn on the light and see how it performs. Upon turning it on, we found that it provides fairly good brightness. According to its specifications, it can deliver up to 150 lux of brightness. The buttons on the right side make it easy to control the light. The upper button adjusts the brightness, while the lower button is used to change colors and effects. Below these, there's a set button to customize and save various lighting functions. The light supports a color temperature range of 2500K to 8500K, allowing you to adjust between cool and warm tones as needed. The brightness is adjustable from 0% to 100%, and it features 17 special effects, such as fire, truck, ambulance, and police mode. This light is an excellent choice for enhancing your video backgrounds, making it more visually striking. It features a built-in 5000 mAh battery, which can last up to 3 hours at full brightness. If you are a content creator and looking for a budget-friendly RGB light, this could be the perfect choice for you. I hope this light meets all your creative needs. Don't forget to purchase it through the link in the description box below to get an exclusive discount. This discount is only available if you buy the product using my link. I hope this light helps you accomplish all your creative tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching.